Hello and welcome to the new Power Query tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you something interesting around this function fill. Fill is very helpful for filling up the blank or the null cells, right? So whether it is a text or whether it is a number, if the requirement is that you want to fill it based on the value above or value down, then you can do that. You may have, if you're coming from Excel background, you may have seen this as part of the pivot table functionality. So I would want to show you, if you are a beginner, I want to show you how this functionality is working with the help of a sample. So for that, I'll bring the data. Before that, just quick information that if you have landed very first time on my channel, then you should know about this Google Sheet, for which the link is present in description. In this sheet, you will find the video title. Very easily you can come and search by pressing Ctrl F as to what video you want to look at it. Search that video using the link which is present in column B. You can jump on to that video. Now also I'm keeping the difficulty level over here as well, along with topic category, so that you can easily search or categorize your learning based on what you need to learn. So this is to help you and support your learning needs. With that, let me go back to the Power Query and let me bring one data set, which is nothing but the Superstore sales. In the Superstore sales, what do I have? One sheet which I created that is specific to this example and having some null values if it ever comes. So let me just wait for a couple of seconds to all right, it's taking really longer than expected. So this is the sheet where you have the column 1, 2, 3, which is nothing but category, subcategory, product name. You have the number of years, the quantity which got sold. So you click OK, and let me come to the Power Query. And then this data set, once it is in there, the first thing first is using first row as headers, right? And then if you see a lot of nulls, the nulls are present. Well, because maybe this particular product was not in 2018 or 2017, right? That is a reason. But let's say in your scenario, you know that, hey, these values are always based on this last value, right? And this needs to be filled up. Or alternatively, these values is based on the whatever is the latest value which is present in the last row. So that can be something very helpful using the fill function. Fill up, down, up or down, right? So what is down? Down means it basically sees the 7 in this case and fill the 7 over here. So if I do that, if you see fill down, it's doing nothing but 7, 7. So wherever it found the null, it looked at the first value and then fill it up. So let me undo this, and alternatively or opposite of that is up. That means it will look at 11 and fill up 11 over here. So if we do up, see, so this is a recursive operation, what we say in terms of how do you want to fill the values. And this is especially useful in those scenarios where your data is incomplete because there are blanks, but you know that these blanks are based on either the value in the previous row or in the last row as it is appearing. So that is something, a very helpful functionality that you should know about using this data set. So with that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.